Hello and welcome back to Flourish Academy. In our last video, we wrote our first Python program and learned about basic syntax. Today, we'll dive into variables and data types. Variables are used to store data in Python. Let's see how we can create variables. I'll simply create a variable called xToybox. And then yToybox. I'll call it Python. Now, I want to help you understand variables very well. I want you to imagine a box that used to store your toys. And in the first box, we have two different boxes storing two different toys. In the first one, we're storing the toy shape 10 in a box labeled X toy box, and the toy shape Python in a container labeled, or in the box rather, labeled Y toy box. Now, that is basically how variables work. They are just containers or boxes that are used to hold data or store data. Now, I'll be accessing the values, which is this 10 and Python terminal, by using the print method. And the print method does not only print out strings like we saw in the last video, where we used double quotation marks to print hello world. This time it can also print out variables. So what I need to do here is write a box and then create another print function. Print out toy box. Now all I need to do is use the interpreter to execute this Python file. Now, as you can see, I have 10 and Python in my terminal. Now, moving forward, Python is dynamically typed, so you don't need to declare the types of variable explicitly. Now, this 10 is an integer, so this automatically makes this variable an integer data type. Why this Python is a string, which makes this yToybox a string variable. Now, I'll be showing you some examples. Now, Python has several built-in data types, including integers, floats, strings, and boolean. The examples are below. 10, which you should see integer. When we print in our terminal, you should see integer b equals 3.4. And c equals d equals true. Now, these are some of the examples of the different data types. This is an integer, the b is a float, c is a string, and d is a boolean. Now, we can check the type of a variable using the type function by using print type, a, and then print type, then b. And my console, you should see 10 Python integer and floats. 10 Python integer and floats. And that is it. That is everything you need to know about variables, data types, and checking the types of variables. Now, in the next video, we will learn about basic operators in Python and how to use them with variables. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated.